Hi, it's Melissa Maker here, and I'm going to show you how to clean your iPad or tablet properly. Remember to always refer to the manufacturer's instructions, since every brand is a little different. You'll need cotton swabs, water, and an optical cloth. Look at how grimy this iPad is. Lots of bacteria and grease build up on the screen, which is why it's important to clean it. Start by turning off the tablet and folding your optical cloth into quarters. That way you'll know which side is wet or dry. Then, lightly mist one quarter with water and tap the wet side on the back of your hand to remove any excess moisture. Remember to never spray liquid directly onto an electronic. Using the damp side of the optical cloth, wipe the iPad from top to bottom, left to right, in what's called an S pattern. If you have any hardened on spots, you can gently buff them out in a circular motion. Flip the cloth over to the dry side and repeat the S pattern to buff out any excess moisture or streaks. Touchscreens have an anti-static and anti-glare coating that can be ruined by cleaning products, so distilled water is all you need to clean your iPad. Use the optical cloth to clean any cameras on the tablet. Take a cotton swab and lightly mist it with water. Use this to clean any buttons or switches. Thanks for watching this episode of Electronics Cleaning Essentials. Let us know if you have anything to add or any questions about this video by commenting below. Please remember to rate the video as well, and subscribe for more great cleaning videos. See you next time!